Experience the power to design, build, create, the power to turn ideas into reality, and the power to do it all better and faster than ever before. Welcome to the future of design. Welcome to AutoCAD 2022. AutoCAD is a CAD leader with best-in-class 2D drafting and 3D design, trusted by millions of designers and drafters. And AutoCAD 2022 is leading the next generation of design by tapping into intelligent automation technology to empower designers like never before. By automating time-consuming tasks, enabling users to focus on the most valuable design work. By including features like Count that eliminate manual counting and errors. Or with Trace, a feature that streamlines collaboration and reviews without altering the existing drawing. And to accomplish industry tasks faster and with more precision, AutoCAD's industry-specific toolsets could help users realize impressive productivity gains averaging 63%. And because Autodesk products are made to work together, projects designed in AutoCAD work seamlessly across tools and teams. Leverage the power of AutoCAD, no matter the place or platform. Mac, PC, laptop, mobile, and cloud. In the office or in your home. The included web and mobile apps in AutoCAD 2022 let you work wherever, whenever, or on whatever device you want, and using the cloud storage platform that you prefer. From the job site to your backyard, keep your projects on track while away from the office with the AutoCAD mobile app. Design, edit, and access your DWGs right on your mobile device. And for essential CAD drafting tools from any computer, there's the AutoCAD web app. Simply log in and get to work in a web browser, connecting to your DWG files in Autodesk Drive, Autodesk Docs, and third-party cloud storage providers, drafting with the same precision and fidelity you've come to expect. The 2022 AutoCAD connected experience across desktop, web, and mobile also features Share, which delivers peace of mind by providing control over who can access and edit your files. AutoCAD, the tools you desire, the innovation you deserve.